Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is AB Tech, and on today's video, we are going to talk about the Nothing phone. You can see that Nothing has already released the commercial that the Nothing phone will be releasing 4th March, according to the commercial they released on their Twitter handle or their X handle. So the next thing that we also heard about this phone is that it's going to have two models. The first is Nothing Phone 3A and Nothing Phone 3A Plus, which will be their flagship. And according to reports, they are going to be a little bit similar, but I'm going to focus this video on their flagship because I always like to go to the top phones, so that you can get value for your money. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the display. The display is going to come with 6.8 inches with AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate. So it's going to be a decent phone, and it's going to be there to compete with other phones that are going to be released this year, 2025. So the second thing we are going to talk about this phone is about the performance. According to reports that we are getting, the reports suggest that this phone is going to come with Snapdragon 7.3 chipset, which is a little bit lower side because most flagship being released now always come with Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. But Nothing, I don't know why they decided to go for 7.3 chipset, and it's going to be 8 by 12 gigabyte of RAM, and the storage is going to be from 128 GB RAM to 256 GB RAM. So it's going to be a decent phone to store your videos and your pictures. So then the other thing we want to talk about is the camera. According to images, we have two camera design that are out there, but according to what the Nothing posted on their Twitter page, you can see that the camera is going to be that of the portrait size, but not of the landscape design. So, but we all know that the main camera is going to come with 50 megapixel main lens, and we are going to have 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto. So we've not heard anything much about the selfie, but normally the selfie also come with 50 megapixel selfie camera. Then the other thing we also heard is about the battery. We also heard that it's going to come with a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 45 watts fast charging, but this time it's going to be a wired charging, not a wireless charging. So I think Nothing has already stepped up their games compared to the Nothing Phone 2 that they released 2 years ago. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see how it's going to work out, and if they can be able to beat the market that is already saturated with a lot of phone companies building their phones and taking it to the extreme level. So thank you, and don't forget to like and comment on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.